Hey, well, check it out. Houston ISD is thankful to have received this generous donation from the American Heart Association with support from Corebridge Financial. They donated 2 complete CPR training kits and more than 100 mini mannequins. These resources will help our high school students complete their CPR certification and gain critical life-saving skills.
In each kit, there is a mini mannequin. We call them affectionately mini Anns. And so they are inflatable, and you can practice your compressions and train along by yourself or with a video and in a class.
There's approximately 140 mini Annies that they have donated, and 2 kits for instruction that has all of the materials that anyone would need to teach these courses. So we're very appreciative of that support in our community to ensure that our health initiatives are able to be provided on a larger scale.
HISD is thankful to our community partners for making a lasting impact on student preparedness and well-being.